Hello friends, today you will learn Ichimoku Kinko Hayo. Okay, this is very useful indicator. Okay, and almost 60% of trader out of world using this. And this indicator developed by Goichi Hosoda in 1930. He was a newspaper man. He tested this indicator almost 30 to 35 years, and then he released this indicator in 1968. So here you learn how to use this. So I will not explain a lot which will not help in trading. Okay, I will help you how to make a buy or sell with the help of this indicator. So in this section you will learn overview of this indicator. So see this. What are the setting of for this indicator? I will click on this. Tenkan Sen is 9 period moving average line. Kijun Sen is 26 period. Senkau span B is 52. Okay. And Senkau span A is also 52 period moving average line. And Tenkan Sen I will keep color as green. So you can change color from here if you are getting red. Kijun Sen red, up Kumo blue, down Kumo pink, and Chicago span yellow. Okay. After that, you need to save these settings. So I will click on done. So you will see this indicator on your chart. Okay. So let me explain here. This line, this green line, this green line is Tenkan Sen. Okay, and this red line, this one, this is Kijun Sen, and this line, this blue line, this is Senkau span A, and above pink is Senkau span B. So here you will see that Senkau span A is up, okay, and Senkau span B is down when market in up direction, okay, and this is Chicago span, yellow line. So this is very useful indicator. Okay, and it's not easy to learn in a one video or in one day. Okay, so it will take some time to learn. So I will explain some details about this indicator. This indicator help us to make a good entry and exit. Okay, most of the times what happens with the traders, suppose we are in any position buy or sell, and we don't know where to exact book our profit. Sometimes what happen, we are earning 50 pips or 70 pips in a trade, but suddenly what happened, that market reversed and he took our all the profit, and our SL sometimes also happens. Okay, so this indicator will help us to when to book the profit. Okay, and you will get significant sign that if market is going to reverse. So I will explain why these lines are selected is 9, 20, 26, and 52. So this indicator developed before World War II. So at that time, actually this is developed by Japanese. Okay, and that time there was 6 working days in a week. There was no holiday for Saturday. Okay, just like nowadays Saturday Sunday is holiday for trading. Okay, so there was 6 days during the before the World War II. So that's why they used 9 period. Okay, what does it means 9? This is 1 week and half, 1.5 week. So this will be 9 for 1 week, 9, and for half week 3. So 9, 3 plus 6, 9. And after that 26 period, 26 period, this red line. Okay, this is 26 period line. So actually we have a 30 days average in a month, and 4 days for Sunday, and 52 period is 2 months. 26 multiplied by 2 will be 52. Okay. So actually this is very smooth, this Tankan. Okay, you will see that here it took support. Okay, here. Okay, actually we have a 5 lines in this, so I hope everyone understood all the lines. Okay, in next video I will let you know that how can we use these indicators. Okay, these indicators or these lines to making buy or sell. Okay, so actually I am earning a lot from this indicator. This is giving me out of 100 I am getting 85 to 90% of accuracy. Okay, but I am also a human being. Sometimes I also goes wrong. Okay, do some emotional trade. Okay, but if anyone will follow this indicator, he will never lose a single rupee after a month. So click subscribe and hit like. Okay, and don't forget to see my next videos. Thanks for watching.